You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV. My name is Paul. I'm the host of the show. Shout out to the producer of the show, C-Rock Behind the Lens. If you're new to the channel, just want to ask you right now, please subscribe. I promise you won't be disappointed. For those of you who have been subscribed, we just want to say thank you. Thank you for rocking with us. Thanks for all the views, likes, and comments. We really appreciate it. We're going to keep putting out content for you guys. And on today's episode, we got the legendary Air Jordan 6 in the black infrared colorway. Can't wait to dive into it. One of my favorite Jordan models is Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records, and the classic Air Jordan 6 black infrared. Let's get it. How you guys doing? Hopefully you're all doing well. Today we're reviewing the Air Jordan 6 in the black infrared colorway that released back in 2019. And unfortunately, due to quarantine, there hasn't been any live sports on TV for quite some time now. So if you're like me, then you're glued to the tube every Sunday night for 2 hours watching the Michael Jordan Last Dance docuseries on ESPN. If you haven't seen it, I highly suggest you check it out. As I've been watching these episodes, I've just got caught up in the Last Dance effect. It's just seeing Michael Jordan be so iconic in the early years, winning his first championship in the Air Jordan 6, and just seeing him wear all the old sneakers, all his silhouettes, all from the 3s, 4s, 5s. It brings me back. It brings back a lot of memories. I grew up watching Michael Jordan in the 90s. Jordans were kind of my gateway into the sneaker game or into sneaker culture or falling in love with sneakers. It started with the Michael Jordan shoes. The 6s were designed by legendary Tinker Hatfield, who designed a array of Jordans starting with the 3s, but he really hit it on the head with the Jordan 6. And with this docuseries, I want to say it kind of created the Last Dance effect. The prices of the Jordans have skyrocketed in all the secondary markets, StockX, eBay, GOAT. Luckily, I have a friend who runs a consignment shop out in Alameda. Shout out to Joe, aka Naka, over at Prestige Shop. He gave me a great deal on a brand new pair of infrared 6s from 2019, and he even threw in this cool little Prestige t-shirt. So if you're ever in the Bay Area, make sure you check out Prestige. I'll drop the links to their website below in the description. Shout out to Joe. Shout out Prestige Shop in Alameda. Let's go ahead and take a look at the infrared 6. Here they are, the Air Jordan 6 in that black infrared colorway. Legendary, iconic. Before we go any further, let's get a smell of greatness. GOAT status. I really love this shoe. It's one of my favorite Air Jordan models of all time. I love how simple it is. It's all black upper in a suede nubuck material, and then you have that infrared accent colorway throughout the shoe. And you have the translucent side paneling right here for where the air bubble goes, and on the bottom of the sole as well. I really love the little lace locks for the shoelaces here. Love the pull tab on the back of the heel with the infrared hit. Michael Jordan was doing numbers in this shoe. There's not too much going on. I really like the perforated holes on the side for breathability, but not only that, it has a 3M liner inside, so when the light hits it, you get that cool little reflection. Don't know if you can really see it, but it's one of my favorite features of the shoe. Even at night, they shine when the light hits. You got the Nike Air on the back. That's what was so special about the 2019 remastered version, and a lot of Jordan aficionados said that this is the closest they got with the infrared. Previous pairs, I want to say the 2014 pair might have been a little too bright, a little too pink. Other pairs were a little too red. They said that they got it right. The only thing that they didn't really replicate as well was the height of the tongue. Really love the icy bottom. Love the Jumpman right here on the bottom as well. And let's go ahead and try these on. That was our signature on-foot look. Prep check real quick. I'm wearing the Jordan 6 black infrared from the 2010 pack. As you can see, they're a little yellow, a little beat, so it was time for a new pair. Over here at Shoot Your Shot TV, we like to break down the shoe into 3 important categories: comfort, style, and price, and give it an overall rating at the end. We're gonna jump right into that right now. So as far as comfort goes, it's definitely one of the more comfortable Jordans that I own. It's more comfortable than the ones. It's more comfortable than the 4s and the 5s. You have a wider toe box, so it's not as narrow, not as snug around your foot. I really like the ankle cushioning. It's very plush, very soft. I love the holes in the tongue, which makes it easy to slip the shoe on and off, as well as the pull tab in the back. One of the more comfortable Jordans I own. I'll give it a 4 out of 5 as far as comfort. Moving on to style, legendary, iconic, minimal silhouette, a little bit of infrared accent, not much needs to be said. Perfect shoe in my opinion, 5 out of 5 as far as style. Moving on to price, Jordans retail anywhere from like $180 to $220 depending on what model, which is a little on the expensive side, but you already know what you're paying for. You're paying for the status, and if you're a Jordan fan, then you want one of the silhouettes that's very important to his career, one of the OG models in that OG colorway. It's a little bit on the more expensive side. I don't know. Maybe that's why I passed on him in 2019. I'm glad I was able to get a good deal on him now. It's Michael Jordan, so what you gonna do? So price, 3 out of 5. Bringing us to a total of 12 out of 15. But that doesn't take away from the fact that this is a perfect shoe. 15 out of 15 in my book, the Jordan 6. That's our episode for today. Can't wait to finish watching the rest of the Last Dance docuseries. Just want to say thank you guys for joining us. Really hope you guys are doing well, staying safe. And let us know how you feel about the Air Jordan 6 in the comments below. Is it one of your favorite models? Do you like that they brought it back with the Nike Air? How do you feel about Air Jordans in general? What was your first Jordan? Let us know. We'd like to chop it up with you guys in the comments below. And we're gonna catch you guys on the next one. As always, please subscribe. Catch you on the next one. It's Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records, Air Jordan 6, Last Dance Effect. Let's get it.